In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a table like this on your Word document. You can see this is a sample of the table, and also I'm going to show you guys how you can create the exact table on WordPad as well. So this is WordPad, and you can see this is the exact table on my Word document. You can see it here. So it's very much simple and easy. The procedure to do this on WordPad is the same as the procedure to do this on Word document. So now let's start here. So to do this, you just need to tap on the plus like this, and then you tap on the dash 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 depending on the keyboard you are using. So you can see this is the dash dash dash. There's a dash, you can see, so continuous dash. So it depends on the rows you want to make. So let's say this is a single row, and then let's do another one. Let me add the plus, and this is a double row, and this is a 3 row, and this is a 4, and there's a 4 row or a 4 column. And now I'm done. So what I need to do is tap on the enter, and I'm good to go. So you'll be wondering how I got all these ones. So all you need to do is just come here, put the cursor here, you can see, and then you tap on enter. You get it? So if you want 10 of them, you tap on enter like this. You just move to this side of the table and then tap on enter. Tap on enter. You tap on enter. Just like I said, the procedure is quite similar to doing that on WordPad. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that on WordPad as well. So here you can start entering your everything here. And you can even copy it. You can tap on Ctrl+C and then paste it on your browser or even on your WordPad. So WordPad too, the procedure is the same. So you start with a plus, then a dash dash dash, a plus, a dash dash dash, a plus, a dash dash dash, and another plus. So 1 2 3. So 3 rows. We did 4 rows. So let's add another row. Let's add a plus, and now we are good to go. And now we want to add another row. Move the cursor to this side and we add it. We move the cursor to this side and we add it. And if the row is quite small and we are typing something and it's not going there, we can tap on enter there to expand that row or that section. So that's it on how you can create a table on your WordPad or your Word document. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.